Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Hegg has urged upon the state government to maintain law and order. The statement came from Hegg following recent instances of arson being reported in the city. Hegg said that law and order has to be maintained for the economy of the state, even as he added that Meghalaya is dependent on tourism and instances of law and order would send a negative message to tourists who intend to visit Meghalaya. Commenting on the recent filing of FIR against Meghalaya DGP, Hegg said that if there is any wrongdoing, the person should be booked.
I have not read the case, but anybody doing anything against the public, against the government, has to be booked. Our law and order situation, we have to fully control. You know, if we want to grow, if we want the economy to grow, if we want the employment to grow, the law and order has to be upheld. To at least that, we have to depend on the tourists. We see a lot of tourists coming to Meghalaya state. If anything incident happen, then the bad name will go. The wrong, thoughts of minds of people will go. So that will be, hamper the economy and the flourishness of the state of Meghalaya.